Hello friends, in this video we will guide you with download link or best SD Marvel wallpapers that you can use on Windows 11 or 10. I will provide single link, this one that you can see in the video description. From here you can download according to your needs several types of wallpapers related to Marvel. Some are on some wallpapers are just SD and a few are also in full HD. So you need to decide which one you have to download. Here you will find Avengers, Iron Man, Thor, Thanos, X-Men, Black Panther, Captain Marvel, Deadpool, Spider-Man, Doctor Strange and Captain America. You can see every link is provided here. All you need to open the link and download the wallpaper that you want. Similarly, you can here see Iron Man wallpapers. Open the link and download the wallpaper. This type. Similarly, you can download the wallpaper of Thor, Thanos. You can see here beautiful wallpaper. X-Men, Black Panther, Captain Marvel, Deadpool, Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, Captain America. All you need to click on the link and download the required wallpaper on your PC and apply it. If you don't know how to apply, let me show one, such as this one. I want to apply as a wallpaper, so I have downloaded this one wallpaper on my PC, Captain America. Now wait a minute, right click on the downloaded wallpaper and select set as desktop background, and on your PC desktop you will see wallpaper has been applied. This time, sorry, this you can download wallpapers according to your needs, and like this you can apply as your desktop background. Thank you. See you on the next video.